Welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We'll start with Stellar Lumens at number 31, and then we'll continue with Aptos, VeChain, Cronos, Near, Hedera, Quant, ApeCoin, Algorand, and the full 10th coin at number 40 will be Internet Computer ICP. Let's go! Stellar Lumens against BTC. So we still have a target over here. Our target is at 293. We're at 370, so another 22% more to go. Do you think we're going to overshoot? Yeah, I think we could. I think we could overshoot a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, no. No, obviously not. Yeah, so I think we're going to overshoot a little bit past 293. Maybe, I don't know, I can't say for sure, but the point is that the direction is still down for Stellar Lumens against BTC. Stellar Lumens against USDT, we still have our 7 cents target. We still expect it to be taken out. I think if we were to head towards 7 cents, we're going to take out this low and probably this low as well. So this it just might bring us towards 5 cents, right? So 8 cents to 5 cents is quite a big drop, potentially another 40%. I can't say for sure. The only target we have is towards 7 cents. Yeah, but I wouldn't consider this as a tradable chart pattern, so be very, very careful. Aptos against BTC. We don't have any clear tradable chart patterns. Our assumption is that if we were to drop for Bitcoin, we probably would head towards 0.618. Maybe? Yes? No? Again, we're still not entirely sure though. We're hoping that Aptos does some sort of consolidation, accumulation over here first before heading higher. APT against USDT. Same thing. No clear tradable chart patterns. We're falling in the same manner, in the same type of a move. Very slow crawl down for both pairs of USDT and BTC. For Aptos, again, no clear tradable chart patterns. So I'll be very, very careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Aptos. VeChain, VET against BTC. VeChain against BTC. Okay, there's some danger over here. I'm a little bit scared. This is a mountain 1. Could we get a mountain 2, mountain 3? Descending triangle. Could we hit much lower for VeChain BTC? Of course. But we're already hitting the skipping line. So this is already a clue that a potential reversal may not be too far away. The only question we have is how low are we going to go first? How low? Okay, how low are we going to go first before we see any sort of a reversal, right? And if we do reverse, are we going to see a high quality reversal, bullish reversal chart pattern? We're not too sure ourselves, so at this point of time, yeah, we're not going to be rushing into anything for VeChain. VeChain against USDT, we are hoping to get an inverse head and shoulders over here. Hoping. Right, China is going through quantitative easing, so maybe some of our Chinese brothers and sisters could be buying up VeChain eventually, maybe. But yeah, I need to see the chart pattern first. We're above the skinny pink line, which is good. Of course, doesn't mean that we can't drop any lower, right? We could still drop towards the 0.618 golden retracement ratio. We could still drop a little bit lower to take out the lows over here at around, I don't know, sub 1 cent. Yeah, you're at 2.7 cents. So if we were to drop towards sub 1 cent, it would be another 67%. Do you think we drop that low? I don't know. I have no targets, no chart pattern pointing down. If anything, I'm just hoping that we just hang around here, form a very nice right shoulder, break higher, right? But again, the danger is still there. We can still head lower, so be very careful. Cronos against BTC. Look at it on KuCoin. So CRO BTC, yeah, we're hoping that Cronos does an accumulation over here, down and up and down and down and yeah, just stay within the range of the lows and the highs, and don't take out the lows or the highs. You know, form a higher low and then maybe reverse back up, form a lower high, right? Something like that. But again, we're still not entirely sure. I think we're gonna drop a little bit more. How much further? We don't have any targets for CRO BTC at this point of time, so yeah, not at the moment. CRO against USDT. Again, there is a support line over here. I think we're going to break the support line. Probably head towards, I don't know, 5 cents. Yeah, it's entirely possible that we head towards 5 cents. If we were to take out these 1, 2, 3 lows, we're probably going to take out this low as well. So there is that potential that CRO could still head towards 5 cents, take out all the lows and form new all-time lows. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Cronos. Near against BTC. Here we are for Near. So I'm not really sure what Near is trying to do. Could we go up from here? Yeah, sure, we could. Could we still hit lower? Yes, of course we could. If I were to counter the waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me. Yeah. There could be a fifth wave coming down for Near against BTC. Again, we're still under the skinny pink line. So the trend is still largely bearish. So we remain with our bearish bias. Bearish bias for Near BTC. Near USDT, we are, yeah, same thing. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 5, down. Sub $1. Possible, it's possible, it's possible. Again, well, we're still not entirely sure though. We're still largely bearish, so remain with our bearish bias for Near protocol. Hedera hash graph, H bar against BTC. Here we are. Right, we got slapped back down under the skinny pink line. So you see, just because we break above the skinny pink line doesn't mean we're going to stay above the skinny pink line. We still got slapped back down for H bar against BTC. I think we're going to hit much lower, probably towards 155. Again, we don't have any clear targets. You know, we're just guessing at this point of time that we're going to hit lower, because I'm expecting that yeah, H bar might form a squeeze over here, right? A higher low. I'm expecting a higher low closer to this low rather than closer to this low. So probably something like this, right? A very nice C down, right? Very nice C. Hopefully we get it. But again, I can't say for sure for H bar against BTC because we just don't have any clear high quality tradable chart patterns at the moment. H bar against USDT, same freaking thing. We broke above the resistance. We broke back under the support. Resistance once broken becomes support. Support once broken becomes resistance. So this became a resistance again, right? So we're up and then now we're down. Any clear signs of a tradable chart pattern? No. Nope, there aren't any. Yeah, again, it's just very difficult to put on trades for H bar at this point of time. There are still two lows over here. So there is that possibility we could still hit lower, take out this low, take out this low, and take out this low. Pew! We could even take out this low, to be honest. But again, no clear tradable chart patterns, no targets, nothing to work on for H bar. So be careful about going to a trade too soon, right? I mean, of course, if we could hover around here, this could be a wave 2, right? This whole thing's a 1, 2, we go for a 3, we get a 4, and then we get another 1, 5. Woohoo! We could get something like this, but yeah, still too early to call continuation, right? We need to just consolidate a little bit longer first. Until that happens, yeah, we're not going to be rushing into anything for H bar. Quant! Tell me when will you be mine? Tell me quando. Okay, so for Quant, we're already almost hitting the skinny pink line. I suspect we will be slicing through the skinny pink line, which is not good. We sliced above the skinny pink line. We were expecting bullishness to continue. So the trend actually switched bullish. Could we switch bearish again? Of course. Of course. Any tradable chart patterns? Nope. Quant against USDT. Yeah, so if you were to slice back down under the skinny pink line for Quant BTC, very likely we're going to slice back down under the skinny pink line for Quant against USDT. So there is the possibility of a yeah, mountain range completing, and we head towards sub hundreds again. Probably, I don't know, 70s, 60s. I can't say for sure, no clear tradable chart patterns, but I would love it if we could get a very nice C over here, right? This whole thing's an A, go for a B, come out for a C, get a D, get an E, boom, we break out. Best case scenario for Quant USDT, right? Slow crawl down. But of course, this is going to be brutal, right? If it is a slow crawl down, it could be 40, 50%. So stay freaking safe. ApeCoin, Ape against BTC. Yeah, again, not too sure ourselves. Ape could form mountain ranges here. We could hit much lower for Ape. At the same time, we could also be heading higher. You know, this could also be an ascending. So yeah, we're not entirely sure what the Ape wheels are trying to do. No clear tradable chart patterns for Ape BTC. Ape USDT. Yeah, we're hoping that we get an inverse head and shoulders. Woo! Then we break out. Best case scenario for Ape USDT. But yeah, again, I'm not entirely confident of us forming a right shoulder over here. There is a danger that we could still head lower. Again, I would love it if we get very nice high quality right shoulder over here, and Ape could break out, right? Maybe Ape Netflix series, you know. Yeah, then we could be going crazy from here. Again, we're still not entirely sure, so yeah, stay safe. Stay freaking safe, right? Algo against BTC. Yeah, for Algo, we still have a target at 714. We're at 1036. So this is still another 30% more to go for Algo. Things just aren't really looking that perky for Algo. So yeah, be careful about going to a trade too soon for Algo BTC. Algo USDT, same freaking thing. No clear tradable chart patterns. You know, is this the bottom? Are we gonna see a lower low here? Maybe we get an inverse head and shoulders here, or are we gonna get a wave 1, wave 2, right? 3, 4, 5, something like that. Again, it's still too early to call reversal. We're still under the skinny pink line, so the overall bias is still bearish for Algo. Internet computer, ICP BTC. So for internet computer, here we are. We hit the skinny pink line. Any clear reversals? Nope. Could we continue lower? Yep. Mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3. Right. Descending, head lower, of course. Any clear signs of a tradable chart pattern? No. Any clear bullish signs? Yeah. We've hit the skinny pink line, which is good. Which means that potentially a reversal might be coming. It might not be too far away, but the only question is when. When? Tell me, when will you be mine? Right, we don't know. Yes, we don't know. So yeah, well, we just don't really have much to work with for ICP BTC, not at the moment. ICP USDT, same freaking thing. We are hoping that we get something like an inverse head and shoulders. This will be sweet, and then we could be breaking higher for ICP USDT. Is there a potential for us to drop even lower? Of course, for sure. No guarantees at this point of time. So we could get a right shoulder breakout, or we could still come back lower. And this whole thing could be a left shoulder as well, right? Something like that could happen as well. Okay, no clear tradable chart patterns for ICP, not against BTC, not against USDT. So be careful about going to a trade too soon. All right, I guess that's it for today's Top 40 Crypto Tier. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!